Declaration statements are statements that let you create variables, and these variables are used to store data. And so in this example, the basic syntax of a declaration statement is type and then a variable name. Now, the type here refers to the data type, which means it could either be the numbers, strings, or even a class. And then the variable name is whatever name you want to use. So we have a few examples here. So first one is we declared a score variable of type int or an integer. And then the second one is declaring a variable with the name of number of players, and then we also initialized it with a value, right? So this way you can assign a default value to your variable. And then lastly, we can also declare a constant, which in this case is we prepend or add this const keyword to our before our variable or data type, and then our variable name, and then we initialize it into its initial or default value. And so this is a declaration statement.